The only thing certain in life is uncertainty. So, what should you do? Waiting forever for the power to come back on? No problem, we've got you covered. Prepare yourself for unexpected emergencies. Stay connected and safe during unforeseen circumstances. Living off-grid with AC200 enables you to power computers, phones, refrigerators, and more. Producing 2,000 watts of continuous power with a huge 1,700 watt-hour capacity. Capable of powering a wide range of devices and appliances with multiple port options, allowing you to power up to 17 devices simultaneously. Keep your food fresh and cool during prolonged power outages. BLUETTI AC200 is a cleaner and quieter generator than fossil-fueled alternatives. Be ready for any kind of power outage or emergency. With 5 different ways to recharge your AC200. Efficient solar charging combined with the built-in MPPT controller is fantastic for outdoor activities. Be fully charged in just 3.5 hours by connecting a 700-watt solar panel. Utilizing LG premium electric vehicle-grade battery cells and an advanced battery management system to protect against overcharging, overcurrent, short-circuiting, and overheated. Your safety is paramount while using the AC200. The built-in touch display allows you to fine-tune your power requirements. Perfect for camping, travel, or anywhere that power is required. Be the life of the party at the barbecue or tailgate gathering. Oops, low battery. Relax, you have BLUETTI Power Station. The AC200 works as an emergency backup for electric vehicles, delivering up to 11 extra miles on a single charge. The AC200 will automatically power down when the output is lower than 50 watts for 4 hours. The 2,000-watt output across multiple outlets gives you more access to blenders, pellet smokers, ice shavers, radios, and even projectors. No need for noisy gas-powered generators. Power outages can be disastrous for families who rely on medical devices such as CPAP machines or medical fridge. Keep quiet throughout the night with a temperature-activated cooling fan, remaining silent up to 45 degrees, allowing you to enjoy a quiet and peaceful night's sleep.